Hey guys, it's Josh Campbell, your mortgage lender here in Dallas. Wanted to take a couple of minutes here on my commute home and see if I could give you some advice on how to find the best mortgage interest rate. You know, one of the things that I've noticed since I've been in this industry is that the principles that we typically apply as consumers to researching or trying to find a good deal don't necessarily hold true when you're trying to find a good deal on a mortgage. For example, as a consumer, we typically will go to Google and research the product or the service that we're looking for, and ultimately find maybe a provider there. However, in a mortgage, that would be probably the worst thing that I could recommend for anyone to do. In fact, it would be the last thing that I would do for myself, being in this industry, and I think that would be true for pretty much anyone that I know that's in this industry as well. So, what would happen if you search online for a mortgage interest rate? Well, you're likely going to probably found this video as a result of typing in something along the lines of low interest rates in Dallas, or compare lenders, or how do I get the best rate, or whatever the case is. Most of the results there are going to be land you on a page where there's a variety of different lenders that are advertising, and then from there you're going to see a bunch of attractive rates, but not likely any that you're ultimately going to qualify for, and there's a variety of different reasons for that. We can get into that in another conversation. However, the somewhere on that page, they're going to try to get you to give you more information, and they're going to have a number of different lenders contact you with rate quotes, and that sounds good in the beginning, and in theory, that would make sense. But in reality, what will end up happening is you'll get your phone blown up or your inbox blown up by 5 to 10 different lenders, and that'll be quite overwhelming at first, so you'll back off, and over the next couple of weeks you'll talk to a few different lenders and get different rate quotes, and try to determine whether or not it makes sense for you to move forward with a refinance or get pre-qualified to buy a new house, or whatever the case is, right? The problem with talking to a number of different lenders over a span of time is that you're discussing a moving target. It would be similar to expecting to call different stockbrokers over the course of a week, get quotes on what it would cost you to buy 100 shares of Google, and then making a determination based on whoever had the lowest price. Well, we wouldn't do that, because we know that stock prices move throughout the course of a day. Well, mortgage rates do too. And so you're better off to work with a good loan officer that can help you to understand mortgage rates and trends, the range that mortgage rates have been moving in over the last few months, and try to find the most optimal time to lock in your interest rate. Not all loan officers are going to be capable of doing that, and quite frankly, a lot of them don't understand it themselves. But if you're looking for the best interest rate at the end of the day, give me a call. I'll help you understand, first of all, where the benefit is in you refinancing, or what the process is going to be like for you to get pre-qualified to buy a new house. And then we'll discuss how we should go about getting you the best interest rate, what different programs make the most sense, compare those options, and then talk about the market and the timing of the market, and look for the most ideal time to lock in your interest rate and get you the best deal possible. You can find my contact information somewhere around this video, I'm sure. If not, you can Google my name, Josh Campbell, and mortgage together, and you'll find me there. Some way or another, you'll find a phone number and email address. Look forward to talking to you again. I appreciate your time. Hope this helps. I hope it found you well. Okay, thanks.